This equation is a classic example of why the order of operations exists. Let's have a closer look of solving this math trap together. So we have an almost all operator here. Let's say if we will solve this from left to right rule. From left, it is the multiplication comes first. 4 multiplied by 4, which comes to 16. Now 16 minus 4 divided by 4 plus 4. Now 16 minus 4, which comes to 12. 12 divided by 4 plus 4. Now equation is 12 divided by 4, which comes to 3. Now 3 plus 4, it comes to 7. Let's see why this answer is incorrect. If we will solve this equation using the PEMDAS rule instead of the left to right, let's see what the answer it is. This is the P for the parenthesis, E is the exponent, M is the multiplication, and D is division, and A is addition, and S is subtraction. We will multiply 4 multiplied by 4, which is 16, minus 4 divided by 4 plus 4. Now the after multiplication in PEMDAS, there is the division here, which is 4 divided by 4, which comes to 1. Now the equation will become 16 minus 1 plus 4. Now addition and subtraction both have same priority in the math. If we will solve the equation and both operator have the same priority, so we have to do the left to right rule. Now plus and minus, 16 minus 1, which comes to 15. Now 15 plus 4, which comes to 19. So yes, our correct answer is 19. Because we have to follow the PEMDAS and left to right both rule in this equation. So, stay tuned with me, subscribe to this channel and click the bell icon